We want to bring in our market insiders. We have Dennis Gartman, editor and publisher of the Gartman Letter. Also, Mark Skousen, forecasts and strategist editor. We have Jim Lacamp of RBC Wealth Management.
Lacamp, come back to you. You're not going to agree with this, but I believe we are on the road to financial recovery. Banks are now going to have more capital at relatively favorable terms. I like what I see. We could debate that, but I basically like what I see. Energy prices are going to provide a good tax cut, but I want to focus on banks. Banks. The Treasury plan, the FDIC plan, the Fed plan, guaranteeing interbank credit, putting new capital, and allowing a role for private sector capital, which concerned me, but I'm now convinced private sector capital is going to be magnetized by the public capital for the 3-year extension of that. Isn't the potential recovery of financial stocks, it's up 24% in the last 3 trading sessions, isn't this a good harbinger of the entire stock market and the epicenter of the American economy? The worst is over. Those are the market signals. Let's get with it here, Jim Lacamp.
Talk about leading the witness.
No, wow. Really? That's a lot to choke on here.
Right.
No, I like what you're saying, Larry, and I agree. We're just a time frame apart. All of the things you say, I agree with. It takes a long time, though. Capital budgets have been slashed by businesses. We're going to see more layoffs. Yes, some of these spreads have already started to come in. That's a good thing, but mortgage rates are up. So it's going to be a while before we see the slide in housing prices really stop, and that's really at the epicenter of this.
Right.
So yes, all of these things will help. They're exactly what I wanted to see. The market looks a little better, although it's going to be a 2-tiered market. It's just going to take a long time to work through. Remember, credit was frozen for quite a while. There's going to be a real air pocket in the economy next year because of that frozen credit.
Bank
and it's going
stocks
to take a
up
while to turn the ship back around.
24%. Bank stocks up 24% in the last 3 sessions.